everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of mixed vegetables, and those are the vegetables I'm using, which is 2 carrots cut in thin slices, 4 potatoes cut in small cube. You can make big cubes if you want. 1 big cauliflower, I just cleaned it, cut it, and a half small cabbage. I did not take the big cabbage one, the half small cabbage. 2 onions cut in thin slices. You can cut however you like. And 4 tomatoes roughly chopped. And I took the 1 bunch of cilantro, which is dhania. 2 halepeno roughly cut. And 2 full spoon of ginger garlic paste. And this is half teaspoon of methi dana, 6 cloves, 15 black peppers. These are 6 red whole chilies. And those are the basic spices like salt, red chili powder, red crushed pepper, turmeric, dhania jeera powder. Okay, so in hot oil add methi dana, cloves and black pepper, and then add onion and then mix it well. Then add red whole pepper and cook until the onion turns golden. When onion turns golden, then add ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red crushed pepper, and 2 full spoon of dhania jeera powder. And if you don't like spicy food, then do not add the red crushed pepper. And then mix these spices well and cook for around 2 minutes, and then add tomatoes. These are 4 roughly chopped tomatoes. Stir well and cook for 5 minutes. As you see, the tomatoes are cooked well and the oil is getting separate. So this is the time to add carrots, cabbage and potatoes, and then mix it well. Now cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, add 2 chicken knor cube. These are optional. If you have it, then add it. If you don't, it's okay. And then add jalapeno. Add cauliflower, which is phool gobi, and mix it well. And then add cilantro, which is dhania, and keep it on the medium to low flame for 20 minutes. And there you go. The mixed vegetable is ready to eat. Enjoy with your choice of chapati or naan, salad, raita, achar, whatever you want, however you like it. It's ready and it looks so delicious and it was amazing. Do try this recipe and hope you like this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.